Good morning, everyone. If you're wondering what this thing is in my hair, I'm trying to do heatless curls and we're gonna see like if they actually work. But hello everyone, my name is Arissa. Welcome back. If you don't know who I am, hi. Basically, I'm doing online school now because we just got a winter storm like out of nowhere. So it's been snowing. It didn't snow yesterday, but it's supposed to snow. Let me show you guys the weather. It's supposed to snow all day. Let's show you guys real quick. It's supposed to snow all day. And it's supposed to snow tomorrow too. And it's 18 degrees outside. We love that. It was colder before this week, but it's getting a little warmer. I am going to have to log into Schoology in about 30 minutes. Like I'm gonna start school in 30 minutes. I'm very much not ready, but I need to go take this out of my hair. But yes, it's 8 o'clock and it's pretty much time to start the day. I just woke up. I took off my excess makeup. Let's just get the day started. I look actually disgusting, but this is what I slept in. I used the robe to do these, but hopefully it worked. I really hope it did. I slept pretty comfortable even though this is in my hair. But I'm about to go to the restroom now because I have to go to the bathroom. And then I will brush my teeth. But I look disgusting right now. Okay. We can open up this. Maybe that's better. I'm not really sure. But I'm going to put some moisturizer on my face. Just because I want to. I feel like it needs it. It feels kind of dry. Okay, so now that I've gotten that like on, I'm probably just gonna brush my teeth because, you know, I have to do that. Okay, so now I'm probably just going to proceed to just get myself ready for online school. I am kind of hungry now. That's really it. And then I'll just sit down in the living room or something with my mom and just do schoolwork. But yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here and get my stuff, like my laptop and stuff. That's what I'm gonna go get. And probably just hang out here with my mom and do schoolwork. But she's out to make chocolate pancakes and I'm very, very excited. But that's what I'm about to eat for breakfast, chocolate pancakes. It's really cold in my room, so that's also why I'm going out here. But like, I don't want to do this by myself, so that's also why I'm going outside. Like outside, no, out in the living room. But I got my laptop. I'm gonna need my phone, so I might as well bring it. it's only 8:20, so they might not have the attendance form on here, so I might be looking for no reason. I will just have to do the attendance form somewhere else. I don't know, but I'll find it and I will sign in, whatever. So it's 8:20. I'm about to go take this out my hair and see if it actually worked. I'm not sure if it did, but yeah. And then I'm gonna just come back and wait till start school. So first thing I gotta take out is the back that's put up with a scrunchie. Ow, something hurts. So this is what it looks like. I used a robe, by the way, if you're wondering what this was. Like a robe tie around thing. So I'm just gonna start taking out the little hair ties. Not yet. But who knows if this worked? Can't really tell. Because like the back of my hair seems kind of out, but I don't know. I'm going to start. It definitely worked. Like definitely worked. But I can tell that only some of my hair reacted to it. Okay. Cute. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you guys. So I'm getting comfortable on this couch because that's where I'm going to be for the next however long. But this is what I'm doing right now. Hopefully I can find where to sign in because at this moment in time, I don't know where to sign in. Like I don't see nothing. I found it. Here it is. It says click in here for your attendance. Found it, guys. Okay, let me do this real quick. I'm probably just going to work on everything. Like I don't have to do it in any order or anything, so I'm just gonna work as much as I can and get some stuff done by like a reasonable time. So I think I want to start with economics and then just go by block, just so like it makes my mind more stable while doing so. And I'm sorry if you hate my hair like this. It's kind of messy, but that's okay. We're at home. Let me show you guys real quick the breakfast that I am having. Okay, look. So I have some chocolate pancakes. They have little chocolate chips in them. Then I have turkey bacon. I'm a very big fan of turkey bacon. I love turkey bacon. It is so good. And then I also have a little thing of grapes. And then I'm just drinking a green tea. And that's my syrup. But that's the meal of the morning, I should say. Y'all, my hair looks absolutely crazy. Y'all just gonna have to deal with that. Okay, whatever. But I had started on this, and this is not due until tomorrow, but like I got to the point where I have to talk to like my classmates, and it's very early. I mean, I know who are awake, but I'm awake till a little later to actually get the, what is it called? Get the information from them, basically, because like I have to use that as a part of my own project, if that makes sense. The other two things that I have to do, like that's on here, is just this paper and talking about how I have to create a discussion board for it. So I'm gonna do that later. So I'm done with this class right now, and then my next class is my Spanish class. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some things about Spanish, and then I'll start working on botany a little bit later. I'm watching a documentary right now. It's like about Centoya Brown, I'm pretty sure. It's about this like girl that went to jail whenever she was like really young, and she's been like tried as an adult now. But anyways, so I've already done this for today. I do have to do this. I'm pretty sure I just have to upload a picture of me in the snow, and then after I do that, I'm going to do this quiz and maybe start on this. I'm not really sure, but this is due Friday and this is due on Thursday, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, these two out. I'm so tired. Right now, I'm done with doing work right now. Like, I've had enough for I've had enough, but I don't have much to do, so hopefully it'll be fine. My mom's making me a quesadilla, and I will get back to work a little bit later. I just have one more thing that's due today, and then I'll start working on some other things later that's due for like a later date, if that makes sense. But it is snowing just a little bit. Yeah, it's very slight snow, like slight snow, but that's okay. This is what it looks like. If you guys want to see, look how good this looks. I love this. I need to get some sour cream because my mom forgot to get me that, but I'm about to go and get something to drink. It's probably gonna be, I don't know, what do we even have? Her burning the candle. Okay, I guess water it shall be. Do we have sour cream?
Have what?
Sour cream?
Well, people in that bottom shelf, like on the left somewhere.
Okay, so I got sour cream because we love sour cream, and I got a water as well. It is coming down outside. Like, sis did not come to play no games. Me and my mom are about to go outside. My mom wants to build a snowman. So, I mean, I guess I'll go outside. I don't know what I should wear though, because my shoes are over here. You can't really see me. I can just put you over here. I'm about to go outside. If you see my attire, the fit. No! It's already getting snow on it, but no, stop, stop, stop. Y'all, look at this. It is actually snowing in Mississippi, like full on like blizzarding. Can't see. And we were gonna make a snowman, but this snow is too like soft to make it. Like, it just falls apart. Okay, let's go back now. Okay. I'll put this here. It's a little bit later. It is exactly 5:46, and I'm about to make some snow cream. You guys, look outside. Look outside. We have never, since like I can remember, have gotten this much snow. Like, y'all, it looks so scary out there. Like, it does not snow in Mississippi. So all you people that are making fun of these Texan people because they don't know what to do, we don't get snow. Okay. But I have to go to the bathroom, and I'm about to make snow cream so you guys can come on that little journey with me. For the... Okay. I'm gonna do snow cream. You do 1 cup of milk.
Usually condensed canned milk.
No, I'm just gonna do the recipe that I have. Okay, so 1 cup of milk. It's 1/3 cup of sugar. Okay, 1/3 cup of sugar. Then we do, okay, so you do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's really what makes it taste really good. Ew, did I just get it on my fingers? So I'm just gonna do a pinch. I'm gonna do this over the sink. Okay, that's good enough. So now I'm just gonna stir this together. She's going out there to get the snow, and it calls for 8 cups of snow. Take a big spoon. No, because that's gonna...
You're doing like this. That's all you're doing. To make a cup.
Okay, so I have all the snow. You can't really see it. That's what it looks like, and now I'm just going to mix it. You can't waste no time eating this. So here's what it looks like. I just put like some red sprinkles on it, and it tastes so much better. But yeah, I'm about to sit down and probably watch The Sinner or something on Netflix, and then I might work on a little bit of work like after I eat and stuff. So yeah, that's the plan. Cute. Okay, so I have not recorded, and it is 7:53 now, and I'm just watching Leo Lee on YouTube because she posted a video today. I was just popping in with you guys because I have not talked to you guys in a while. I've just literally been sitting here and watching YouTube, and I should be doing work, but of course that never happens, but that's okay. You know, that's okay. Okay, you guys, that is the end of this day in my life, and I'm sorry. My mom is vacuuming once again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. But if you enjoyed, give me a like, and also comment any video ideas that you have down below or that you want to see me do. And I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!